Here we are. Ooh, that sounds good. Close my visor. It's not completely closed, but it's because my breath's fogging it up pretty bad. All right, here we go. Okay. Boy, I got some really deep gravel right there. I can't believe I'm actually getting out to ride today. My kid was born 2 days ago, and it's been kind of rainy and gray and cool. And what? It's been kind of rainy and gray and cool. We've just been laying low, taking care of the baby, who's being super good right now. But the older kids wanted some sodas. We don't have any sodas. I'm gonna grill up some steaks on some T-bones tonight, and we have a few sides, but I really just would like to have some baked potatoes. So we're gonna run to Rainey's Market and get some sodas, maybe some Oreos, and see if they have any potatoes yet. Maybe some corn on the cob. All right, here we go. So it'll be a short trip, trial run of the adjustments that I made, and using my new audio recorder in my saddlebag. And I would love to be able to give you some good, mostly crisp, clean motorcycle sounds, rather than having the microphones just jammed up with. Oh, I'm a little stuffy today, so I'm sorry about the sniffles. I know I always sound probably stuffy when my head is packed into my helmet. That's just what it is. It's not very warm. It's probably 50 degrees. A lot of sun. And there's a pretty good amount of moisture in the air. Just humidity. So it's a little chilly. Probably should have put full finger gloves on, but not going far. I think I'll keep it a little slower than I normally do. Left. Here we go. it is so humid. I never have a problem with my helmet fogging up. Not even when it's cold winter time, unless I'm completely stopped. But right now, it's so foggy. Suppose it's not as cold as I thought I was going to be. Maybe because I didn't really bundle up. I just have this Carhartt long sleeve zipper shirt and my leather vest. Gonna pull right up. Yeah.